You are about to embark on a journey of self-mastery. The words you speak to yourself, your self-talk, shape your reality. They determine whether you rise above challenges or succumb to them. Stoicism teaches us that while we cannot control external events, we can control our thoughts, our reactions, and the way we frame our experiences. This script is designed to help you reframe your mindset, cultivate resilience, and embrace the power of your inner dialogue. Let's begin. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with calm. Exhale slowly, releasing tension. Again. Inhale. Exhale. Feel your body settle into the present moment. Now, say to yourself, "This moment is all I have. The past is gone, and the future is uncertain. Right here, right now, I am in control of my thoughts. I choose to focus on what I can control, and I release what I cannot." Remind yourself, I am not my thoughts. I am the observer of my thoughts. I have the power to choose which thoughts I entertain and which I let go. Life is not about avoiding hardship. It's about growing through it. When faced with a challenge, say to yourself, "This is not an obstacle. This is an opportunity. This is my chance to grow stronger, wiser, and more resilient. I welcome this challenge because it will shape me into the person I am meant to become." Remind yourself of the Stoic principle. The obstacle is the way. What stands in my path becomes the path. I will not fear difficulty. I will use it to fuel my growth. When doubt creeps in, counter it with, "I am capable. I am resourceful. I have overcome challenges before, and I will overcome this one too." Every step I take, no matter how small, moves me forward. Shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. Say to yourself, "I am grateful for the lessons this day has brought me. I am grateful for my strength, my mind, and my ability to persevere." Even in difficulty, there is always something to be thankful for. Remind yourself of the bigger picture. This moment is just one chapter in the story of my life. It will pass, like all things do. I will not let temporary struggles define me. I am bigger than this moment. When you feel overwhelmed, ground yourself with, "I have everything I need within me. I am enough. I am whole. I am complete." One of the core tenets of Stoicism is the dichotomy of control. Say to yourself, "I cannot control external events, but I can control how I respond to them. I choose to respond with calm, clarity, and courage. I will not waste energy on what I cannot change." When faced with uncertainty, remind yourself, "I do not need to have all the answers. I only need to take the next step. I trust myself to handle whatever comes my way." And when you feel the weight of expectations, release them with, "I am not here to please everyone. I am here to live authentically, with integrity and purpose. I release the need for approval and embrace my own path." When you feel tested, say to yourself, "This is not the end. This is the beginning of my strength. I will not break. I will bend and adapt. I am like a tree, rooted deeply, weathering the storm." Remind yourself of your inner power. "I have survived every challenge life has thrown at me so far. I am still here. I am still standing. I am stronger than I think." And when you feel weary, recharge with, "Rest is not failure. Taking care of myself is an act of strength. I will pause, recover, and return with renewed energy." Align your actions with your values. Say to yourself, "I will act with integrity, kindness, and courage. I will not compromise my values for temporary gains. I am guided by purpose, not by fear or ego." Remind yourself of your mission. "I am here to make a difference, no matter how small. Every action I take contributes to the person I am becoming. I will live with intention and focus, and when distractions arise, refocus with, I will not be swayed by trivial matters. I will stay true to my path. My time and energy are precious, and I will use them wisely. Life is fleeting, and change is inevitable. Say to yourself, nothing lasts forever, and that is okay. I will cherish the good moments and release the bad ones. I will not cling to what is no longer serving me. Remind yourself of the Stoic. Truth, everything I have is on loan from the universe. I will appreciate it while it is here, but I will not fear its loss. I am at peace with the ebb and flow of life, and when you feel attached to outcomes, release with, I will do my best, but I will not be attached to the results. My worth is not determined by external success. I am enough just as I am. You have the power to shape your thoughts, your emotions, and your reality. Every word you speak to yourself matters. Use this Stoic self-talk to build resilience, cultivate gratitude, and live with purpose. Say to yourself one final time, I am the master of my mindset. I choose thoughts that empower me. I am strong, I am capable, and I am at peace with whatever life brings. Today, I will live with courage, wisdom, and grace. Now go forth and let your words guide you to greatness.